Hey dear students, how are you? Maybe you are well. Welcome to my virtual class. Please look at the whiteboard. Today's topic is subject-verb agreement or right form of verb. Subject-verb agreement or right form of verb. Look at this here. I have written some examples with a rule. If you follow the rule and examples, you will be able to understand. Okay. Here, look at this. No sooner had, hardly had, scarcely had, etc. etc. are the adverbials that require the first clause past perfect tense and the second clause in past indefinite tense. Okay, look at this here. No sooner had, hardly had, scarcely had, etc. are the adverbials that require the first clause past perfect tense and the second clause in past indefinite tense or simple past tense. If you follow the rules, you will be able to understand very easily the examples. Please look at this. First exam A. No sooner had I dash in the bracket reach home then she dash in the bracket left. The first clause will be past perfect tense. If the sentence in past perfect tense we will write after subject, the verb will be past participle form of verb. Okay. No sooner had I, here the verb will be past participle form reached, R-E-A-C-H-E-D, reached home, then she dash, then she, here the verb left or leave, L-E-A-V-E, leave. We can use here past form of verb left, L-E-F-T, left. Okay. Here look at this. The brackets verb will be leave and we will write in past indefinite tense, left. The second exam. Scarcely had the police dash when the man dash in the bracket die. Scarcely had the police, after police, here the subject police as the beginning word scarcely had, and so after subject the brackets verb will be past participle form of verb reached, R-E-A-C-H-E-D, reached when the man dash die. Here the verb will be past form because the sentence or the clause will be simple past tense. The man died. Okay, now look at this. Hardly had. I dash in the bracket finish writing before the teacher dash in the bracket has given the word order to stop writing. The first clause brackets verb will be past participle form because the sentence in past perfect tense, and so after subject we will write the past participle form of verb finished, F-I-N-I-S-H-E-D, finished. Hardly had I finished writing before the teacher, after before the clause will be simple past tense or past indefinite tense, so after subject, the verb will be past form, ordered, ordered to stop writing. Now, look at the D. No sooner had we dash enter the classroom, then they dash start clapping. Now, the same sentence, same rule. No sooner had we entered, T-E-R-E-D, entered, entered the classroom, then the verb here will be past form, started, started, started clapping. No sooner had we entered the classroom than they started clapping. Now, scarcely had Mina dash in the bracket has given the word close the door when the calling bell dash start ringing. The first sentence will be past perfect tense, and so after subject we will write the past participle form of verb close, closed, closed, closed the door. When the calling bell, after the subject will be the verb here past form, because the sentence is in simple past tense or past indefinite tense. Started, started, started. Here look at this last question. Hardly had Anis dash. Hardly had Anis dash. In the bracket has given the word see. His mother when he dash start enjoying. Here the verb will be past participle form. Hardly had Anis seen. Hardly had Anis seen his mother when he, after the subject, after when the clause will be in past indefinite tense. Started. Started. Hardly had Anis seen his mother when he started crying. Here, I am again telling for your realization, please look at this. No sooner had, hardly had, scarcely had, etc. are the adverbials that require the first clause past perfect tense, and the second clause will be in past indefinite tense or simple past tense. Okay, now look at this here. I have given some examples. If you follow this, it will be very easy to you. No sooner had I dash. In the bracket has given the word reach home, then she left. Then she in the bracket has given the word leave. Now look at this. The first clause will be in past perfect tense, and so the verb will be past participle form, and the last clause will be in past indefinite tense or simple past tense, and so after subject will be the verb past form of verb. Okay, here no sooner had I reached home then she left. B, scarcely had the police reached when the man died. Hardly had I finished writing before the teacher ordered to stop writing. No sooner had we entered the classroom then they started clapping. E, question number E, scarcely had Mina closed the door when the calling bell started ringing. Last number F, hardly had Anis seen his mother when he started crying. Okay, if you follow my rule and examples with attention, you will be able to understand very easily. Okay, no more now.